In previous video, we learnt about triangles and its types, right? Let us learn today triangle angle sum property and triangle side sum property. We know triangle is three-sided closed figure which has three vertices, three sides and three angles. Well, since triangles are always made up of three angles, each of those angles have its own measurement in degrees. And the important thing is that those three angle measurements, if you combine them, they will always add up to 180 degree. Since these angles are inside the triangle, so we call them interior angles of a triangle too. Let us understand it through an activity. Draw any triangle ABC on a piece of paper. Cut the triangle. Now we have triangle ABC. Now cut out the marked angle A and C. Draw a straight line on a sheet of paper. Rearrange them in a way as shown in the figure so that they are right next to each other. Now you can see that angle A, angle B and angle C together forming a straight angle, that is 180 degrees. Or do you understand from this? Yes, we can say that the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Let us understand this in detail. We have here triangle ABC. Let us measure all the angles with the help of protractor. If we measure angle A with the protractor, we get 40 degree. Similarly, the measure angle B is 65 degree and measure angle C is 75 degree. If we add all the angles of a triangle ABC, then we will get 180 degree. With this, we can understand sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Knowing that a triangle angles will always add up to 180 degrees can really help you out when solving geometry problems. Observe this triangle. In this triangle, you have measure of two angles, but you have to figure it out what is the measure of third angle is. Since we know that the total must be 180 degrees, you need to do add up given angles and subtract it from 180 degree to get the measure of the unknown angle. You can always check your answer by adding up all the angles to make sure you get 180 degree. Now you can practice this by drawing some triangles on a paper and measure all three angles of those triangles. You can see that the total would be the same. This will work no matter what type of triangle it is. We know triangle is made up of three sides and always have some length. Let us measure the length of all sides of this on-screen triangle ABC with the help of divider and ruler. The divider is placed such that each tip is at the point of A and B. Then, without disturbing the divider, the distance between the 2 points is measured with a ruler. We got the measurement. AB is 8 cm, BC is 10 cm and AC is 7 cm. Sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Let us verify this. Now, find the sum of any two sides and compare it with the third side. Length of AB plus length of BC equal to 18, which is greater than the third side. Length of CA is 7. Length of AB plus length of AC equal to 15, which is greater than length of BC is 10. Length of BC plus length of AC equal to 17, which is greater than length of AB, that is 8. Yes, here we have observed sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now, if you are given three sides, Can you say whether they will form a triangle or not? Yes, you just have to check if they are following the rule and make sure you check for all three sides. Check if these are possible length of a triangle: 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. Let's check the sum of the length of any two sides and see if it is greater than the third side. In this, 5 plus 12 is 17 is greater than 13. 5 plus 13 is equal to 18, which is greater than 12. 12 plus 13 is equal to 25, which is greater than 5. Yes, this can form a triangle. It is also true that the difference of the length of any two sides and see if it is lesser than the third side. Let's check. 5 minus 12 is equal to minus 7, which is less than 13. 5 minus 13 is equal to minus 8, which is less than 12. 12 minus 13 is equal to minus 1, which is less than 5. Yes, the difference of two sides is lesser than the third side. Now you can say, yes, these sides will form a triangle. You can check for given length either one of these rules. Check if these are the possible length of a triangle: 13 cm, 14 cm and 28 cm. Let us check the sum of the length of any two sides and see if it is greater than the third side. 13 plus 28 is equal to 41, which is greater than the 14. 13 plus 14 is equal to 27, which is less than 28. If the rule fails for any two sides, we do not need to verify it further. Let us check for the next 3 cm, 4 cm and 7 cm. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and third side is also 7, so both are equal. Rule fails. If the rule fails for any two sides, we do not need to verify it further. These sides will not form a triangle. Now you can draw as many triangles as you want. Once you draw those triangles, find out the measures of all three sides. Try to find out sum of any two sides and then compare with the third side. You will always find this property holds true. I am sure you must have understood the properties of triangle. There is lot more in upcoming videos. Stay tuned.